Hello, in this video I am going to talk about changing the color of the background of a Photoshop project. So how how we changing the background color of Photoshop is a very difficult task to be done. Why is this? Because the developer has made this difficult. They actually encourages people for using either black background or transparent background. Transparent background means a background that doesn't have any color. Okay. Uh, that's why you won't find the color black for the background color when you try to choose the color of the background here in this window. I'm going to show you how you can change the background color of the how you will change the background color of your project by using this window. The options that are present here in this window will be enough for you for changing the background color of your project image. Okay, so I'm going to show it first. I'm going to show you the background option of the clipboard. So for opening a project, you will first have to go to file and then click new. If you click new, a new project will be created. But before the new but you will first have to enter some values to some properties for making the project suitable for your work. For example, just see that the if I uh, just press OK here, a new clipboard will be created that will have a width of 736, height of 736 pixels, a resolution of 72 pixels per inch, and its background color will be white. Okay, I'm going to change these property values. If I change the property values, then these changes will be applied to the clipboard, and these changes will be applied to the keyboard, and my desired clipboard will be created. For I want the width 1920 pixel, height 1080 pixel. I want the resolution 72 pixels per inch. 72 pixels per inch means every inch of the screen contains 72 pixels in it. Will contain 72 pixels in it. And if I change the resolution to 96 pixel, this means that every 1 inch of the screen will contain 96 pixels now, but 72 pixels is the standard pixel number for every inch of PC. Okay, here is the important part. You see background contents. It actually chooses the color of the background. You see that the color black is not present here. Only white and transparent, these two colors are present, and there's another option present which is background color. I'm going to use this option for transfer with the background color into black color. Okay, first I'm going to show you what will happen if I choose the background content. If I choose the option white, if I choose the option white, the a clipboard with the white background will be created, that have a width of 1920 pixel, height of 1080 pixel, and resolution of 72 pixels per inch. So I'm gonna press click OK, and as you can see that a clipboard with a white background color has been created. Okay, now I am going to create a clipboard with A transparent background means that the clipboard won't have any colored background. So okay, transparent background. Okay, human still hasn't been able to find out the color of colorlessity. So they just express colorlessity by this image. Okay, and now a background with transparent color has been created. Okay, but I want a background color of different color. How am I going to do it? See this two. Look at these two rectangles. This rectangle that is above this rectangle is the foreground, and this rectangle which is below this rectangle is the background. So this rectangle actually represents background. I am going to change this background color into green. So now the background color is green. So if imagine that background color, now imagine that the Photoshop is considering the background color as X. So now that I have changed the background color into green, X will be equal to green. I am going to create a new clipboard and see this background color image. This background color image is always equal to X. Now that I have set the background color to green, the background color, the axis value has now become green. Okay, so if I choose the this option background color and press OK, a clipboard with a green background will be created. See, uh, now I'm going to create a clipboard with a black background that has a width of 1920 pixel and height of 1080 pixel. So width will be 1920 pixel, height will be 1080 pixels, and I'm going to change the okay. This will create a green background. This will create a clipboard of green background which is a width of 1080 pixel and a height of width of 1920 pixel and a height of 1080 pixels. Okay. Now I am going to change this. I'm going to change the foreground color into a different color. I'm going to change the foreground color into red color. Now I am going to change this background color into black color, and the color and the hex ID of black color is always hashtag 0000000. There are 6 zeros after the hashtag signs, which is the hex value of the color black. Okay, so I have now changed the background color into pure black color. See, now I'm going to choose new, and I won't and background in the and I won't choose white or transparent as background content. I will choose this option background color. Background color has now been set to black color. So if I choose this background color, this option background color, and then press OK, a new clipboard with a black background will be created. See, so this is how you change background color in Photoshop. I don't think that this way has been used before. Even if this has been used before, I don't think internet contains any video about this method. So I just wanted to share this method along with you guys. And I hope that you have enjoyed this video a lot. Goodbye.